To scan documents on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you'll need to open your camera app. After that, enter a photo mode right here, and first make sure that you can scan documents by clicking on the settings, and then we can go for the options in scanning. Then there's scan text and document scan. Make sure that this option is enabled. You can also add document scan to the app screen, so it's much easier to use it. So you can now either go back to your camera, lift your phone and point the camera at the document. After that, you should see a pop-up right here for scan documents, or alternatively, if you've made what I did with adding that icon, we should be able to find the scan document icon somewhere on our screen. So let's try to find it. Document scan right there. Then you can take anything that you want to scan. For example, you can even scan boxes right here. Let's grab this box and then pick up the phone. And now we can scan it. So you won't see much. Maybe I will try to make it so that you can see. And now we have scanned that box. As you can see, it works very great. It looks amazing, to be honest. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.